This lecture is about termux. We will cover all the basic commands in termux as well as advanced level commands. So let's jump into our screen and then we will start our practical session. Okay, so here I need to check first screen it's showed here or not, because it's must. Okay, I think screen is done yet, and now I open my termux and clear this. First command is clear. Okay, so when you open your termux and when you open your phone, so first thing is I need to share the lecture link on my Facebook, because I want more person come on my video live. Okay, so please cooperate with me and just wait little bit. I just share the link in my group as well as in my how to do hacking by using Android phone with termux. Join to me live channel, start to learn hacking. Or here is, I will share this link in my group. I just showed you, please, this is my Facebook group, and I also told you join to me on my please join to me my group, and this is my page. Okay, learn ethical hacking with practical. This is my page. Okay, now here is, because someone do chat with me, so now I refuse. Okay, let's start. First step is here is, when you open your termux, here you just type, first step is apt update. It's depend on you. Okay, if you want you can type just simple apt update, and if you want you can type both. I type first apt update. This is the main thing after open your termux. Okay, next command is apt update. Almost Kali Linux command working in termux. Okay, almost. Here you just type a simple -y. Okay, and now it's do upgrade your packages, upgrade your some tools, and if any upgradation or and you type like this, both apt update and you sign apt upgrade -y. Okay, you type this. Now here is, see, it's depend on you. Oh, here is our command is some wrong, apt update and sign apt upgrade -y. Okay, if it's depend on you, if you type both, then it's working both. And then next command is, here you type package update. Okay, you can type both, it's depend on you. If you want, you can type each by each. Package upgrade, same. And here you type -y. Your first step is this one. Okay, when this is completed, then you move on next. Okay, now here is our first step is completed. Now here start our basic commands. First step is, if you want to install packages, then you need to type this command, package install, then you type here package name. For example, I type here Python. It's already available in my termux, but for your understanding. Okay, and if you want to install more packages, then you install package install Python 2. Okay, and then package install Python 3, because I already installed in this, that's why it's nothing take more time. But when you start your termux, you don't have all packages, and I will told you about in previous video how to install packages, how to install important packages. And please join to me live. Okay, join to me live and ask question live about how to do hacking on termux and on your Android phone or on your iPhone, and I will teach you complete hacking, how to do hacking from your phone, from your iPhone. If you have anything like you have iPhone, like you have Android, like you have tablet or other phone, but you must have a good phone. Okay, this is very important, and you need to take first lecture. Okay, next, navigation directories. Okay, here is ls almost used in not almost, but ls used in Kali Linux. Okay, and other commands are cd if you want to enter someone directory, but right now here is I don't have any directory. Okay, so if you want to go in directory, then you type cd and then type directory name. Okay, and if you want to back, then you type cd dot dot. It's same command working in both termux and Kali Linux. And if you want to see display the current directory path, then you type pwd. Okay, but its command now here I showed you detail data.com termux file home. Okay, now it showed you now you are in home, termux home. Okay, next step is file management. Okay, if you want copied a file from the source to the destination, if you want copy a file from the source of destination, then you type here cp. Okay, then you type here source, and then you type destination. First type cp, then type source, then type destination. Understand? And next command is moves or rename file. If you want to move or rename file, then you type here again mv, and then you type here source, then type destination, moves or renames file. And if you want to remove some file, then you just type rm here, and then you type here file name. Okay, delete the specified file. Okay, if you want delete directory, then you type here -rm -r. These all commands same working in Kali Linux and same working in termux. Understand? Then you type here directory name. It's do working recursively deleted a directory and its contents. Okay, if you want to make a directory, here you type mkdir. Okay, I make here directory touch. Okay, now here do ls. Now touch directory is available here, and if you want to copy, then you type here destination. Sorry, if you want to delete this, then you type here -rm -r, then you type here touch, and then you type ls. Now here is only one directory available, the name of storage. Understand? Okay, let's move on next portion, viewing file content. If you have any file, okay, how to make file? Here you just type a touch, and here I type command as make file is cricket ls. Now here is cricket file is available. Now I want to see its file data. Which data available in this file displays the content of file. Then you type cat and then type here cricket and hit enter. If any data available in file, then it showed you. If nothing have any data in this file, then it showed you just a empty box, same like this. Okay, if you want to delete this file, then you type here rm just simple cricket, hit enter, and ls. Now here is your file and your directory is removed from here. Okay, now if you want to edit some file, open a file in the nano text editor. Just to type here nano, and then first you make file again touch cricket. Okay, now file is created cricket. Now you type nano and type here cricket. Okay, now it showed you your file. Now you are in your file. Now here if you want to save any data in this, then you copy and paste just, and then type command control O and then control X, then your data is saved, and then you can see everything. Now here is I type control X for back. Understand? Okay, show the first 10 lines of a file. If you have a file and in your file available 20 lines, you want to see 10 lines, you just type here head and type here your file name. Understand? Then you can, then this command showed you a 10 lines of a file. Okay, let's move on. Next command is tail. Here you type tail, then you type file, then shows the last 10 lines of a file. Tail means it showed you a last 10 lines. If 10 lines available, 20 lines sorry available in your file, then head shows the first 10 lines, and tail shows the last 10 lines of a file. Understand? But you need to have a file and then data available in your file. Okay, next portion is system information. displays detailed information about the system. Here you just type un a n name hyphen a. Now here is it showed you a displays detailed information about the system, which system you used. It showed you complete detail about that. Okay, next is shows termux environment and system detail. Here you just type termux hyphen which environment you use. Now termux hyphen info. Now it showed you a complete information about which device and which environment you used for termux. Okay, now move next command, checks disk space usage. Here you just type simple df. Okay, now it is provide you a complete storage detail. Bundle of thanks, man. I think Hamza Muhammad. Okay, thanks for that. Okay, let's move on. Next command is our next portion is network commands. Here you just type if you want to check your internet is connected with your system, with your phone or not, or also connect with your termux or not, then you type this command here, simple ping google.com. Understand? If your data is started and if your traffic is started, then it's mean your internet is connected with your termux, also with your device. If not working, then it's mean troubleshooting or something else in your system. Okay, now display network interface and IP addresses. If you want to see your IP address, then you type here if config. Okay, hit enter and it showed you a network interface and IP address. But I don't do practical on this command because I don't show my IP address to anyone. So please, okay, here I type curl, retrieves the content of a URL. Here you type curl and then you type in front of this URL. Okay, then it's provide you detail about that. Okay, then you type here downloads file from internet, wget, then you type here URL downloads file from the internet, then it showed you download files. Let's move on. Next command is process management. I need to see how much time is going. 15 minutes goes. Okay, process management. First command is ps, lists running process. Here you just type ps, hit enter. Okay, now see his PADTTY like that. Okay, next command is stop, shows real time running process and system usage. Here you just type a top. Now here I see complete usage about your system, about your termux, about your internet, and your complete working showed here. Okay, let's clear our terminal. Okay, now next command is terminates a specified process. If you want to terminate some special process, just here you type a kill command and just type process ID, which ID you want to kill. You need to type here this ID name. Okay, then hit enter and it's kill this ID and stop working. Okay, next command is permissions. If you want to do permissions, someone file or someone script, just you type here chd mode, same like Kali Linux, plus X, understand, and then you type here file name. For example, I do cricket. Okay, no chd mode found. Did you mean chd in package? Oh, here is command is just wait please. Okay, for example, I type here 750 plus X and then type here cricket. Now it showed you invalid mode plus X. It's not working yet. ch mode plus X and then type here 755 because I don't have any script and file also is empty, so I need to do can't access no such file or directory. Okay, no such file or directory. Switch mode plus X and here you type cricket. Now it's see When permission is allowed, then your file or your directory color is changed like this. Before it's white, now it's green. Understand? Okay, let's move on. Next command is package management with apt. Now here start apt command, same like Kali Linux. When you install some tools in Kali Linux, you type apt update, and before starting I type apt update and apt upgrade, install available packages. Here you just type apt install. apt install. Here you need to type a package name. For example, I type here nmap. Now it's done. Understand? And if you want to remove some one package, then you type here apt remove nmap. Now it's ask you, and now it's removed by using this command. Understand? Okay, next portion is advanced commands. Now here is setting up SSH. Okay, now here is install OpenSSH to access termux remotely. If you want to access termux remotely, then you need to use this command. Here you just type a package install OpenSSH, hit enter, and now it's installed. Installation is done. Okay, next is generates SSH keys. Here you just type SSH hyphen keygen, hit enter. Okay, termux file. Here is what he asked, hit enter. Empty for passphrase, hit enter. Enter same name. For example, I type here keygen, then here same name. Yes, now here is I installed with same name SHA-20. Sorry guys, Azan is started here, so please cooperate with me. Okay, let's move on. Next, connect to a remote host via SSH. If you want to connect a remote host, then you type here username, your host. Okay, I will told you about this command with practical how to connect remotely with SSH, but not now. Okay, let's move next command, installing and using git. Here you need to install package install git. Now installation is done. Install git to clone repositories. How to clone repositories and where you need to get which tools you need to do hacking on your termux, where you get and where you clone and how to clone, I will tell you in next lecture. And just type here, for example, same like Kali Linux, git clone, then you type complete your tool URL here, and then cloning is started. Okay, and the next command is updates the local repo with remote changes, git pull. Just type a git pull. File system boundary, git discovery across file system not set. Now here is nothing set any file system yet. When I install, then we will do again. Git commits changes to the repo. Here you just type a commit -m, and then you type message. Okay, which message do you want to change? You need to type here, then you hit enter, then it's working, and then you can change. Okay, let's move on. Python and pip management. Here you need to install a package install Python. I already installed, and then you install pip install. Okay, install a Python package, pip install package name. For example, I type here I type someone package like Python. I think it's not working. Pip install Python. It's not working because Python is different and pip is different. When we start cloning the tools, then I will tell you how it's installed to repositories and how it's installed to Python packages. Understand? If you want to run Python package, then you type here Python, but right now we don't have any tool. Okay, and upcoming videos I will tell you complete how to do hacking and which tools you need to use and where you get and how to clone each and everything. But just I want from you join to me live and take live classes. Okay, okay, now next step is text processing, and these commands actually all are a very advanced command, and these all command working when we start a practical session with hacking. Okay, and almost here is our command is done, and here is we wrap up today's lecture. if you want to learn how to hacking is done from an Android or iPhone, make sure to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Keep watching the channel. I also offer paid courses in both English and Urdu language. See you in the next lecture. Thank you so much.